olwaleero isaba na oli omu yenna wali yimirirako tujagulizeko Mr. Henry Kizito, mwana waffe, mutabanyi wange, mwagala nnyo, era katumuyimbire n'akayimba nga sinakuwa speech. Ino mutima ogwagala nnyo ensi yange, ate ino mutima ogwagala okuyamba abantu abali mu bizibu. Kyeva olaba Keddi Foundation weeri. Ina ebigambo bitono nnyo bye ngenda kwogerako, n'olwaleero nsanyuse nnyo okuba nga nsinkanye omutabanyi wange ono Kizito Henry. Era nsaba Katonda nti ngo yasalawo nti olunaku lwaleero tujja kuba wano mu nnyumba eno mu maka gano ku kyalo kino. Henry Kizito ebibye byonna Katonda yabimaliriza dda, era agenda kuwona byonna abazadde bye mwogedde wano byonna mubadde mu byagala okusaba kwammwe omwaka abira Katonda nga temuwulira nkono omutwalo gwa $. Katonda yabazeemu yabanukudde essaala zammwe. Keddi Foundation kyekitongole tekibaddewo nnyo bbanga ddene, naye nga famire ng'omutala bano mukyala wange n'omuwala wange ffe ba Keddi Foundation twatandikawo, ate era ne executive Mr. Mutas ne engineer n'abalala abataliiwo. So Keddi Foundation tetunakumala mwaka naye ng'ekigendera kyaffe kuyamba abantu mu bizibu byabwe. Manye ebizibu tebiggwaawo ate tosobola kubimalawo kubanga toli Katonda, naye ebitonotono bye tusobola nga bino ng'ensonga za Henry, Keddi Foundation esobola okuddukirira n'etuuka n'eyamba weesobodde. Olunaku lwaleero njagala kwebaza Katonda nti Mr. Andrew Kyamagero ssebo weebala okuba n'omutima omulungi mu bitiibwa byo byonna. Oyo omusajja wa kitiibwa nnyo, musajja atula na banene, musajja ali corporate, naye n'avaayo n'aba n'omutima nga gwa Keddi Foundation, n'asalawo okunoonya ebizibu by'abantu ng'abireeta eri Keddi Foundation. So tukwebaza era weeyongera mu maaso, era ate nga ne Mr. President nga wagambye abamedia mwena muli wano, mmwe mbanye ebizibu ebibeera mu bantu mu community. Mutuleetere Keddi Foundation ejja kukola ng'ekola ki ng'ekisoboka. Bantu bangi nnyo mu Uganda bagagga, era ekyemanyi olwaleero mugenda kundaba oba mulaba Keddi Foundation ntwala omulanga nti okugaba mutima si bugagga lw'okuba nti olina. Mr. President agambye nti waliwo abalala balina n'emmotoka 6, mulimu n'abalala abasuukako naawo. Ndabye abagagga bangi balwana amataka, muli kwetingana, muli kukola ki, muzimbye za kids, neero ogenda kufa obirekewo. Kakati kwatayo akatono kosobola, jangu wegatte ku Keddi Foundation, oba nga twegasse ku Keddi Foundation naawe tandikawo oba joining abo abali mu kitongole ekiringa kya Keddi Foundation osobola okuyamba eggwanga lyo. So okugaba mutima si bugagga. Kakati naffe ky'oba olaba nti akatono ke tulina tusobola okuba tuli bagagga nnyo, naye akatono ke tulina tukwatako ne tusobola okuduukirira embeera z'abantu. So olunaku lwaleero njagala kwebaza nti omuganda wange mukulu munnange Andrew yantukira twali eri na misindwa n'ankuba akaama n'agamba waliwo omwana alina ekituli ku mutima. Ekyo kyankwatako nnyo kubanga manyi kye kitegeeza. Nze sometimes mubiri gwange muno etula okufunamuko just ulcers ne ziimuka naye mpulira nga nfa n'ate ono alina ekituli ku mutima. Nenyimukirawo nengamba eyo nsonga tiyeetaaga kintu kirala kyonna katusooke tuddukire omwana oyo era ssebo Mr. Andrew neyanza nti okoze omulimu gwo n'otuusa wano olwaleero ate naffe nitukola nga ekisooka. So tukwebaza mukubireko mu ngalo. Keddi Foundation kye kitongole abalala bali kwewuza kiki ekiri mabega wa Keddi Foundation. Teri kyonna kiri mabega wa Keddi Foundation. Wabula nga Keddi Foundation twalaba nti eggwanga lirina ebizibu bingi ate gavumenti nayo erina ebizibu bingi byekwasaganya. Nnaku 3 bbiri emabega obuyambi babusazeeko olw'ebisiyaga. Kakati wesanga gavumenti ekwasaganya bintu bingi. Kati oluusi gavumenti nga tesobola kutuukirira mu mbeera z'abantu mu wangu nnyo. N'ate nga naffe nga tusobola okubaako kye tusobola okukola ne tuyambako gavumenti. Si kubaawo nti na buli kimu kyonna kyaki kya gavumenti. Kakati kyeboolaba tuvaayo ne tuba nga tudduukirira abantu. Keddi Foundation tuli wamu n'abapatana baffe okuva eweeru era nga tuli wamu era olunaku lwaleero ekizibu kino okyagwawo ne tujja twayogeddeko n'abapatana baffe n'abagamba that's very big matter. Just go and make sure Kizito's life is safe. So we want to thank God for today that Keddi Foundation together with the partners, they have come with a hand of help to help Kizito Henry to go through a surgery of heart. And when I was speaking to Andrew made a survey. He went up to Uganda Cancer Institute. Right, Mr. Andrew? Yes. So I asked him, are you sure when we pay the bills that they need, will this child survive? Ask the doctor. The following day, Andrew assured me that the doctor had assured him that as soon as we pay the bill, this boy is going to be healed. So this prompted me to act fast to come and support Henry. Henry Kizito is my son, is your son, is the next president of Uganda, is the next minister, is the next pastor in this community, is the next great leader, a great leader. So together, let's all of us as Ugandans and international, let's join our hands together and we help such people like Henry. As Mr. President said, there are many others who are like Henry and they are suffering more than Henry, but they don't have support. They don't have where to run from. So, as Keddi Foundation, together with the partner, we have decided that together we have set up a budget of $10 million to fight in the issues of heart and cancer victims all over the country in the period of 5 years. So this money is going to be available, and this money is not to give anybody, but still is for Keddi Foundation, and the Keddi Foundation will be running everywhere in the country where there is the issue of cancer and the issue of heart, where a victim like this one, Henry, when we hear that there is another Henry in Kasese, there is another Henry in Bundibujo, there is another Henry in Darua, There's another Henry in Gulu. There's another Henry in Mbale. There's another Henry in Kalangala, in Wakiso, in Kayunga. Keddi Foundation will be able to use these funds to come and rescue or help, such that we don't lose our fellow citizens, our Ugandans, because there is no facilitation. So to Keddi Foundation and international partners, they have given this money $10 million to fight the victims, to fight the diseases of cancer and the heart attack. So from today, as we help Henry, I call upon all other Ugandans and stakeholders, both Uganda and international, to join the Keddi Foundation, and we fight cancer and we fight heart matters. There are also other diseases, but these are the most chronic and dangerous diseases, because when you have, because when you're suffering cancer, there is a little or minimal chance of you surviving. But if we come early and we fight this, we shall save very many Ugandans, because we are looking at our Uganda of tomorrow. So with this, Keddi Foundation is committed to help the government and those who are willing to join us, and then we fight this kind of chronic disease. Away from that, today we have come to help Henry Kizito, not on this money, no. The bill of Henry Kizito, $10,000 is already paid, and the money is already here. So as we speak, here is the money. So you can hear, this is the money, this is the money, this is the money. Parents, come here.
Naveyo. Hata mevumo baje. Sebo. Soko vema. Kuje. Bana tweyongereke mabega. Ekitutu sisiza kuba mwenye gawa. Tweyongereke mabega. Tulindeko chairman. Tulindeko kati. Mulindeko mbako azinde. Kubegenda tonya. Tweterezo wane mabega. Ayoke. Good to go. Nda konya ina. Chairman.
Yes, katude wano. Kakati zino wamu onaona zili milioni 35. Milioni 35 zikola omutwalo gumu ogwa dola. Esente zino tuziwadde kashi era zigenda kusasula mu ddwaliro. Twagala olamu wa Henry benga bukomezeddwawo ate nga weebuli. So as Keddi Foundation, we are committed to fight, and we shall fight for all Ugandans who are suffering in this country. We shall not wait for the government, but we also have a part or a role to play. Don't wait for the office of the Prime Minister under the Minister of Disaster and Preparedness. They have a lot. So I'm calling upon all Ugandans to come and join us, Keddi Foundation, and then we fight the issue of cancer and heart patients or victims So today, as I told you, Keddi Foundation was started with 2 people, me and my daughter. This is my elder daughter. She's called Angel Keddi. She's the co-founder of Keddi Foundation. So she has a message for Henry Chizito.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon to you. Henry, we are here for you, and thank you for everybody who has supported Henry and taken good care of him. He will be okay.
Yeah, she's a woman of few words. She has assured Henry Chizito, you're going to be okay. You're going to heal. You'll be a great man. The nation is waiting for you. You're the next Keddi Foundation, your generation to come. We love you. We stand with you. You are a champion. You are great. You'll go in the shit and come out, and you'll be a powerful man. This area of Jogo, Namugongo Sonde, you'll be a great leader, and not only here, but the entire country. We love you as Keddi Foundation. We love you as a family, and we love all Ugandans. Thank you so much. Here we have come with some few items, but basically for the family of Mr. Henry Chizito. Thank you for welcoming us, Mama. Thank you. God heard your cry, because every woman, when a woman prays or she cries, God hears. God heard your cry, and God has answered your cry. Don't cry again, tears of sorrow, but tears of joy. Henry, we love you. Henry will be a great man. So here we have come with some few items. We have come with mosquito nets to give to the people around here. We don't want you mosquitoes to be biting you, and all the time you're going to Mulago. So Keddi Foundation has come to rescue. We have also blankets you'll be getting. Suru Tata Henry will be giving you. We have some mattress. Keddi Foundation has brought some mattress. And then we have a suit for the father of who? Mr. Henry. Yes. And then we have a Gomez and other clothes for Mama and the girls. Yeah, that's his suit. Yes. Yes. And then we have a suitcase for Henry when they're in the hospital. The things to put, to use, ABCD, they're all here. And then we have bed sheets where they will be sleeping, both here and in the hospital. Keddi Foundation also cared for young mothers, especially girls who don't have pads. Sorry to mention it, but it's sensitive. So Keddi Foundation, we have brought for you some pads for young girls here as well. We have books, as Mr. President mentioned. We thought about the friends of Henry and Henry himself. After the surgery, we'll go back to school. So Keddi Foundation has come with the books. And then we have pens. Keddi Foundation stands together with all the children, all the students all over the country. Wherever we go, we make sure that these are the great leaders of tomorrow, so they have to study. So here is the pen. Here is the pencils for the young one from primary, nursery, up to P7. We have sugar. Yeah.